Hello fellow YouTubers, it's Kaylee again from the League of Insomnia. I just finished watching Billy's last video that he posted, in which he pretty much reprimanded me for not posting enough videos, so Billy, this is for you, 2 videos in 1 day. Woo! No, but seriously guys, the reason I haven't been posting videos as much as the other ones is because I just haven't had any good material. It's not that I don't want to post it, it's just my life is just boring and not so happy right now. You can ask any of the other members of the league, they've had to deal with me. Yeah. I got a job, working 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. every day in a factory. It pays well enough, and I'm not saying it's the worst job in the world. I mean, the people there are fun and everything, but it's just exhausting, I guess you'd say. I don't know. But yeah, so my life pretty much consists of getting up at 4 in the morning every day, going to work, coming home, sleeping for a little bit, maybe eating something, watching a few YouTube videos, and doing it all over again. So yeah, not really much to make a good YouTube video. Hopefully things should get better tomorrow. Erica and my friend Desiree, who you haven't met yet, but you probably will, seeing as she'll be living on campus with us next year. Maybe she'll even join the league. I don't know, but she's awesome. Well, those two and I are gonna go to the mall tomorrow, unless our plans fall through again. We were supposed to go, today. See, in summer I always lose track of the dates. It's just, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go to the mall and go shopping, and Desiree promised to buy me ice cream, which, Desiree, I hold you to that. I want my ice cream. That's what I thought. But yeah, the summer started out okay, I guess. Since the last video I posted, I went to, was it dinner? I think it was dinner. It was either dinner or lunch, I'm not sure which. At a restaurant with my friend Ryan and my other friend Danielle from home. It was pretty good. I had fettuccine alfredo. And then we went and saw Thor, which was pretty epic. Like, I thought I would hate it, but it was actually really good. The guy who played Loki was amazing, just saying that now. And then the day after that, I had a sleepover with my 2 best friends from home, Desi and Danny. And that was just one big ball of ridiculousness. We sang a lot of really bad karaoke, and yeah, just hung out. Desiree had Magic Shell on her ice cream for the first time ever, which was really sad that she hasn't had that before, but I love you, Des. Yeah, not really much else to report. I feel like, after watching everybody else's videos, I feel like my life is so much less exciting, but no. It is, but yeah, just looking forward to August 26th, going back to school, and I really can't think of anything else. This is sad. Yeah, Kaylee's bad at posting vlogs, as you can see. Okay, short video is good enough for me. Oh! I thought of something. Okay. Our friend Christy from school is directing a show at a nearby church from my house, and both Desiree and I auditioned, and both Desiree and I got in, so I'll be having something else exciting to do this summer. Something to look forward to. It's called My Son Pinocchio, and it's pretty much there's a Disney movie called Geppetto, and it's kind of that story, and it's gonna be fun. I'm only minor characters, but I'm excited for it. I haven't been in a musical for a while. So yeah, I've got that, and my summer camp coming up, and that's pretty much it. And my birthday in a little over a month. And Harry Potter. Yes, but yeah, looking forward to tomorrow. Maybe I'll have a new video to post. Maybe we'll even record a video there and post it later. Okay, well, I guess I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye!